Okay, this is just a quick video to show you how you can be doing some coding during the school closure, whether you're a beginner, you just want to practice or pick up some new skills or improve the ones you already have. If you don't already know how to log into Scratch, this is how you do it. So Google Scratch coding, and it'll be your top search result. And then you click here for sign in. The sign in details are in the document that you're watching this video from. So there they are there, your login and your password. So the login, we want St. Mary's Child N8, all one word, all lowercase, and the password rectory1, again, all lowercase, all one word, and sign in. That'll take you to the home screen, and when you want to start a new project, you can have a look at some featured ones or some already existing ones, and you can build on them or to make your own, which is what I'd rather you did. Go in here to create, and you can make your own. First thing you want to do when it comes up is give it a file name. So let's say it was going to be some kind of tennis game, and you give it a name. Click up here for file, save now, and that way you can keep saving it and you can come back to it whenever you want to. Then you can start dragging in blocks. So if you run that, then every time this, yep, see, that's working. So let's say you finish for the day and you've had enough, or it's just time to stop, you can click File, Save Now. It'll say here Project Saved, and then the next day when you log back in again, you can click up here in the file, My Stuff, and there it'll be your most recent game. Obviously, you might have to find it amongst all the other things, or if you click in this little box up here, you can search for it if you remember the name that you gave it. If you're looking for some ideas to code and you're not sure what to do, or if you're a beginner, then the best thing you can do up here is click tutorials. And there's all sorts of ideas here to get you started. Things like getting started, how to make a cartoon, make animations talk, animations of all sorts really in here, a clicker game, a chasing game, a Pong game, all sorts of things you can make it do, or games where you use the arrow keys to control the characters. So you can click on any one of them and it will show you how to do it in a step-by-step set of instructions. So you just click from next to next, follow the instruction, go to the next one, and so on. And again, when you're finished, file, save now, and that'll be that. If you're looking for some more ideas of what to do, or you've used all the tutorials, or you're looking for something a bit more advanced, then Google search in a separate window. You need Scratch open at the same time, so you could start a new project. And then Google search Code Club, the top result here, and it'll take you to this website. What we want is the Explore projects. They're completely free. You don't have to sign in or register or anything like that. And if you scroll down, you can see there you've got loads of ideas that you can do in Scratch. If you want something more advanced, then feel free to try and have a go at the HTML or the Python ones. But the Scratch ones are probably the most fun. So if you click in, for example, Module 1, there's things there. You can make a game and animations again, a chat bot, boat race game. And when you click on it, it'll show you what it's going to look like when you're finished. And if you scroll down, it'll tell you what you're going to learn, what you need, basically just Scratch, and then you can begin. So make sure that you read all the instructions as you go, and it'll show you what you need and how to do it. But as I said, make sure you're reading the instructions so you know exactly what you're doing and why you're doing it. Otherwise, at some point, you will get lost. You won't know why you're doing it the way it's asking you to. So, for example, here it says you need to add an if block. Now, if you've never done that before, you can click I need a hint, and it'll explain to you what that means, what it's for, and why it wants you to do it. So that next time, when it tells you you need to put an if block in, you know why you're doing it. Okay, so you can just follow those instructions and then create it in this window here. So just keep looking back at the instructions, go back to the window, look at the instructions, come back to the window. And then you can just make your games and save things in here as normal. Okay, I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed doing some nice coding, and anything you save will be in there. You can ping me a message and I'll have a look at it later. Okay, take care of yourselves. Hope you're well. Bye-bye.